Hi everyone! The story that I have for us next is called Hungry Bird by Jeremy Tankard. What do you think this story is going to be about? It's going to be a silly story. Let's find out what happens. Bird and his friends had just set out on a hike when Bird's tummy rumbled. "I'm getting hungry," said Bird. "I might need something to eat." The other animals didn't answer. They were too busy enjoying the hike. How do you think Bird is feeling? I don't think his friends are listening to him. "Hey, Fox," said Bird. "Did you pack anything for me to eat? I'm a bit peckish." "I brought some yummy berries. Would you like a few?" "No, thanks," said Bird. "Berries are not my favorite." "Suit yourself," said Fox. That was so nice of Fox to offer his berries. Bird's tummy rumbled louder. "Hey, Beaver," said Bird. "Have you brought anything delicious to eat? I'm hungry." "I have lots of nice crunchy sticks," said Beaver. "Would you like some?" "Sticks?" said Bird. "Are you crazy? Birds don't eat sticks." "Well, beavers do." "Yum," said Beaver. I think our friend Bird is getting a little impatient. Bird's legs were growing weak. "Hey, Sheep," said Bird. "Have you packed anything tasty? I'm starving." "I packed some delicious grass," said Sheep. "We could share it." "Grass?" said Bird. "I think you mean gross. Who wants to eat grass?" "I do," said Sheep. "It's scrumptious." He is just not being very nice to his friends. Bird could not go one more step. "Hey, Raccoon," said Bird. "Please tell me you've remembered what I like to eat. I'm ravenous." Ravenous is another word for when you're really, really hungry. "I have this nice sandwich," said Raccoon. "Would you like half?" "Sandwich?" said Bird. "Yuck! That sounds disgusting." "It isn't," said Raccoon. "It's a medley of flavors." Bird was sure he was going to pass out from hunger. "Hey, Rabbit," shouted Bird. "Give me something to eat now." "How about a carrot?" said Rabbit. "Carrots are delicious." "Carrots are orange!" shouted Bird. "How on earth can I eat a carrot?" "You crunch it," said Rabbit. "Like this. Crunch, crunch." Have you ever gotten upset like Bird has? Bird's tummy roared and he collapsed on the ground. Oh no. What do you think is going to happen next? He lay where he had fallen. He laid there some more. He doesn't seem very happy. He looks kind of upset. "You mean none of you packed me a snack that I like?" Bird called to his friends. Do you think Bird's friends should have packed him a snack? Maybe it was Bird's responsibility to pack his own snack. "If I don't eat this very instant, I might die." Do you think that's true? I think Bird is being a little dramatic. Bird's friends had stopped to rest on a log and eat their snacks. They called to him. Bird could hardly hear them over his noisy tummy. "Be quiet, Tummy," whimpered Bird. "I'm starving to death over here." Bird looked at his friends happily munching away. He was too hungry to walk. He crawled over to them. "Okay, fine. I'll try your snacks," said Bird. He tasted some berries. "These taste very round." He nibbled some sticks. "Crunchy." He chewed on some grass. "I feel like a sheep." Bird tried the sandwich. "It's not as disgusting as I thought." He even ate a carrot. Not bad. It does taste orange, but I like it." Just then, Fox spotted something wriggling in the grass. What do you think it is? "Bird," he said, "your favorite snack, a worm." "No thanks," said Bird. "I'm thirsty. Who brought me a drink?" Uh-oh. The end. The back of this book says, "Do you ever get hangry?" Bird is hiking with his friends when his tummy rumbles, but no one packed him a snack that he likes. How will Bird survive if he doesn't eat the perfect something this instant? He ended up being pretty happy in the end of this book. I think he tried. He might not have liked the other friend's snacks, but he gave it a try, and he actually ended up liking them. That was a fun book. I'll see you later.